Here we are in the basement bathroom with the less costly tile. This is more of a Home Depot tile. Then this is a better application when you don't have a lot of money to spend and you want something that looks nice, but you don't want to spend $1 million on your tile. It's not white tile. It's not very boring, and it has a little bit of character to it. It's one of my favorite tiles to use. I've used it on many projects. Basically, this is a stand-up shower application where you have the 12 by 12, 2 by 2 tiles that are used to create the flow from the water to the drain. And you have a frosted window. It's a very nice look for a low cost. This is one of my 3 top tiles that I use. It seems to work. People like it. You have the floor tiles of 12 by 12. You've got the matching dishes, which are special order. They are not available at Home Depot. You get those from another location. And we like to use the stainless steel with this birch tile. It looks really nice. You could use chrome as well. Stainless steel does look a little bit nicer. It's more popular as well. This bathroom was, there was nothing here when we got here, so we had to create the walls, redo all the walls. And new vanity. The vanity, it's a long bathroom, so we used a 36-inch vanity with a 36-inch mirror, and new light, new hardware, and that toilet is new as well, which we had to relocate to accommodate the code requirements. This is one of my favorite bathrooms here. This is more of a medium cost tile. You can't get this from Home Depot. It looks almost like a travertine, like a marble finish, and it's got some of the most beautiful decoration strips that are available for it. You have the marble dish, soap dishes that we like. We don't like to use the traditional soap dish is sort of out, so we like to use the corner units, and obviously you don't get as much water in your soap as well. You have the stainless steel finishes. You got the I believe this is the Forte. It's available at Home Depot. It's not that expensive. It looks very nice. Then you have a new Princeton bathtub, which is the tub that we prefer to use. It's very nice. And of course we have the 12 by 12 on the floor, and we have the 8 by 12 on the walls, which can be done in a brick pattern. We've often done them in a brick pattern or an offset pattern. We can also turn them sideways and roll them on their side to create a brick look or a straight pattern on their side as well. So those tiles can be used in different applications. This is a tall ceiling, so we went with the tall ceiling look to make it look better, to make it more applicable to our application. Okay, here we are in the master bathroom. This is the most elegant tile that we use more regularly. It's a more quality tile. It's got a basic design in it with the soap dishes. This is probably my favorite tile. In my opinion, it's the most beautiful. It's a little more expensive than the other templates that I use. This is the most expensive template that I use. And it's very reasonably priced still. Simply don't see the value in spending $20 per square foot on a tile when you can get something that is relatively as beautiful, if not more beautiful, for more economical cost. Floor has a pattern where we've incorporated the wall tile in with the floor to give it a sort of a design, an offset design. As you can see on the walls, we did use the brick pattern. That can be done in a straight pattern, not recommended. It always looks better in a brick pattern because of the size. A 12x6 tile almost always goes in a brick pattern. And you have the 2x2s on the 12-inch sheets for the floor. Key with the bathrooms when you have a stand-up shower application is that the pan is done correctly. The most common problem in the bathrooms is the pan leaks. We've ripped out lots of pans that were done incorrectly. We use the rubber membrane up 12 inches with no screws into it, so it's one seamless pan that is impenetrable, and we don't put holes in it so nothing can get through it. It seems logical, but you'd be surprised on how many times you see people put screws in the pan or nails. Also the step there where you step into has slightly a slant, so any water that would sit on it would run back in, not out. That's another problem that is very common, to where you have rot on the outside of the shower where the floor actually will start to get soft and rot. So that won't happen in this bathroom. It won't happen in any of my bathrooms.